Oh my God, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Come here. All right. Tell your friends I want one more. But, you know, I won't be too greedy, I swear. YouTuber flaws right there. That's my fault. Oh, he's about to jump. Oh. Oh. Look at the belly. No. Wow, I don't know how, but we did it. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. No way. Please don't come off. Good morning, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with Becca. Today's video is sponsored by Carl's Bait and Tackle. Hold on. Can you guys see a little bit better? It might be a little bit dark, but anyways, sorry. I think that's gonna help a little bit, but welcome back. Sorry, it was a little bit dark in the beginning, but today's video is sponsored by Carl's Bait and Tackle. If you don't know what Carl's Bait and Tackle is, it's an online retail company that sells everything you possibly need for fishing. They will be the first link down below if you guys want to go check them out. I buy all my stuff from there. I mean, line, tackle, mostly terminal tackle. I buy a lot of terminal tackle from them because tungsten weights and all that stuff is super cheap when you're a Carl's member, so it makes things a lot easier. But I'll probably talk about Carl's a little bit later, but for now, it is super early. I'm very nervous right now because I'm at a pond and it's 30 degrees out. I don't think the fish are gonna be biting, but the whole goal is just to not get kicked out. And I think we might, but I don't know. I've been trying to go to this pond for almost like a month now, but I've been super nervous to come and get kicked out because I got kicked out last time I was here, and I usually don't come back to ponds that I'm kicked out of, but I really want to fish it, so I'm going to fish it today. Yeah, that's the game plan. I'm really nervous though. Well, I mean, we're already here, right? I woke up at 5. There's no turning back, so we're gonna go. And I'm nervous. I just keep seeing cars drive by and I just keep getting scared, so hopefully we bang out some fish nice and quick and easy. Probably not, because this pond is kind of hard, but once you figure them out at this pond, the bite gets really good. So it's like, hopefully we figured it out pretty soon, but I'm just seeing cars drive back and forth and I'm so scared. I feel so bad. Anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos. Leave a like on this video if you guys can, because that will help my video out a lot, because these videos do take some time to make and whatnot. It's definitely not an easy process making videos, but I do love doing it, that's for sure. So without further ado, I'm gonna switch you guys to the chest cam and I'm gonna stop being so nervous and we're gonna go catch some fish. So I'll see you guys out there. All right, right now I'm starting off with a Dukin Baits Slim Shake Worm in the Alabama Craw. This is a 4/0 hook and a 3/8, I think, for our tungsten weight. All off of Shop Carl's. Let's make Carl proud. All right, my next plan of action, I just tossed it out. I'm just gonna leave it there and wait for something to pick it up and really just work this bait extremely slow. I might switch to a weightless worm. I don't really know just yet. Oh, my drag! I never set my drag! Oh! I never set my drag. Damn it! That was the first bite. My drag was so loose. That's just, wow. Let's just tighten that up real quick. Damn, okay, first bite. Didn't capitalize, but first bite. Oh, here we go. I think I have a fish. Fish on, possibly. Oh, he's about to jump. Oh, he gave up. He gave up. He gave up. No. Oh, he's about to jump. Oh, he gave up. He gave up. He gave up. No. That was just such an awkward hook set. Okay, we've gotten 2 bites so far. Didn't capitalize on either one, by the way. In case you missed that. But I'm just gonna fix my worm and throw it back out there. All right, so we missed 2 fish on the worm. That could mean multiple different things. They're not fully eating it, or we just suck, right? I have no idea. But so I placed a big order on Carl's Bait and Tackle, and I got a Guggen Squad clutch, which is their lipless crankbait, but their lipless crankbaits were sold out literally everywhere except for Shop Carl's. So I got a nice little gold one. Hopefully they don't miss 2 sets of treble hooks. This is called, I believe, the Gold Rush. It's a gold lipless crankbait, but it looks sweet, so let's give this a shot. All right, that's not working. This is the other big order that I placed on Carl's Bait and Tackle. Sticky hooks. I'm gonna do the 4-aught worm hook. So we're going with the weightless Texas rig. This should get it done. Juicy. Let's do this. Thank you, Shop Carl's, for the trailer hook. There we go. Probably should have done that from the start. Oh, bait change again. No. No. No, 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 no. Well, I had a bite, and I didn't capitalize on it yet again. I haven't really said much, but basically I'm throwing a drag and drop on a natural color Guggen baits, and yes, I'm throwing it on a drop shot, which is on my bait caster. It don't matter right now. Fish on, fish on, fish on. No way, please don't come off. Oh my God, yes. Get up in here, boy. Get up here. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Look at this stud. Let's go. Well, a drag and drop is just barely hanging out of his mouth, but wow, I don't know how, but we did it. Hooked just like that. Wow, we've been out here for however long my GoPro's been on. 54 minutes and 29 seconds. And we finally caught a fish. Okay, well, I've actually never done a GoPro recording for so long, so that's interesting. But yeah, first fish. It's been so long, I don't think you guys understand. I've been struggling so bad the past couple of days, but I'm gonna stop talking, put this fish back, and then we're gonna get back to fishing because this just fired me up, so we need more. Oh, thank you, buddy. He's super duper warm. I can't believe I just said super duper, but he's really warm. Oh, yes. Oh, how many times did I change my bait? I mean, I'm sure I'll put the footage in, but Jesus. Well, after changing my bait about 1,000 times, I guess it paid off. Like literally 1,000 times. I don't know. What did I try? I tried the spinnerbait, Texas rig, weightless Texas rig, jerk bait. I think I said all of them. I don't know. I tried so many different ones. It felt so good to finally catch a fish. The past couple of days I've been struggling and fishing, I mean, a lot. I've just been fishing nonstop. And I haven't caught a fish in about 2 days. So that feels good. I think we have fish. Yes, fish on. Fish on. Yes, yes. Oh my God, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Come here, come here. Oh my God, let's go. Oh man. Oh, that's a fat fish. Look at the belly. See, all that took was just some adjusting and now we're killing it. Look at this. The belly on this fish. I mean, this is a quality fish right here. Oh God, I want to know what you're eating, bud, because you're hefty. Beautiful, beautiful largemouth bass. I'm so happy right now. All it took, that was it, was just to adjust and keep adjusting and not give up. And I think it also helped that the sun came up a little bit more, maybe. I don't really know, but either way, let's go. Okay, I'm so happy right now. You're amazing. Go do big things in life, bud. Big things, big things. I'm counting on you. Okay. All right, all right. That's what I like to see. Little update. I have a fish on. That's the update. Oh yes, this one looks like the biggest one so far. Let's go. Ah. Oh my goodness. You are built. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, okay. Dude, this fish might be like 2 3/4. Like, look at that. This fish is just built so wild. Look at like that belly, that's insane. That's insane. I was about to give you guys an update and tell you about how cold I was. It's a good fish. That's impressive. You know, after being out here for so long, I would say this is a successful mission. Wow, okay. I'm gonna give it about, I'm gonna try to get 1 more fish. That's the ultimate goal. If we leave here with 4 fish, I will be so stoked. So I'm gonna put this one back. We're gonna keep trying. I just had a voice crack. And we're gonna keep trying. All right. Tell your friends I want 1 more. But you know, I won't be too greedy, I swear. Oh my God, I was about to move to get closer down to help him. He said, yeet. We've caught all those fish on 1 singular drag and drop. Again, all this stuff is courtesy of Shop Carl's. This is literally Shop Carl's name brand weight with a little bit of weeds on it currently, but you get the point. And who says you can't throw a drop shot on a bait caster? It's a little difficult, but you gotta make do if you want to bring 1 rod and 1 reel combo. Oh, there we go. Jeez. Oh. Ah. Get up here. Whew. Boat flipping almost 3-pounders out here today. Oh, jeez. There we go. And thank you to Carl's Bait and Tackle for the trailer hook, because yeah, we would have not caught that fish, to say the least. Well, this is fish number 4. Oh, let's go. That's so awesome. We're having a pretty solid morning finally. Oh, look at this. He has a hole in his fin right here. It's pretty wild. Let's go. Oh, I'm so souped right now. The 2-day struggle has come to an end, and I'm very thankful. Oh, see ya. All right, couple more casts. Okay, well, I've been struggling the past couple of days, and to come out here super early this morning and catch fish is just the best feeling in the world. I don't even know how else to explain it. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I'm so happy right now. I've been struggling beyond belief, like, I don't even know. I've been trying really hard. I've been kayak fishing new ponds. I bank fished 6 ponds yesterday without a single bite. So yeah, to come out here this morning and do what we did is pretty impressive in my book. So I'm beyond satisfied. So I hope you guys are too with today's video, because it was really cool. I try to switch up things a little bit on how I film my videos. So if you guys liked how today's video was, just leave a comment down below and let me know. But yeah, it's been a pretty incredible morning. Now I gotta go walk all the way back to my car, but it's better than doing a walk of shame to my car. I'm gonna be walking to my car with a nice big smile on my face. So that's a good feeling. You never want to do the walk of shame after fishing, because that's never fun. But yeah, thank you so much to Carl's for sponsoring today's video. You guys are the absolute best, and yeah, I couldn't be more thankful to have such an amazing sponsor for my channel. This lighting's probably a lot better than how it was in the beginning. Sorry about that. YouTuber flaws right there. That's my fault. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. Thank you so much for all the support. Just 6K kind of blows my mind, but I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna eat some breakfast. I never even ate breakfast this morning. I was just so ready to go this morning. So yeah, I'm pretty hungry right now, but I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for the view and all the support. You guys are amazing, and I'll see you guys next time.